back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you a really cool little dish. It's my lamb rice with roasted peppers. Really nice, quick, easy dish to do, and it's got some really nice Mediterranean style flavours to it. Let's get on with it. Alright, first thing I've got some peppers that I've taken out of the garden, just little banana peppers, given that a little bit of olive oil and a little bit of salt. Now I'm going to put those in the oven at around about sort of 180 degrees until they go nice and soft. It'll take you about 10 minutes or so, alright, not very long at all. Alright, so now we've got our a fry pan, or wok in this case, a little dash of olive oil just like that. It can go in, and we've got this wok on just a nice low type heat. I've got one brown onion finely diced. I'm just adding that to that oil, and I'm just going to fry those off until they go sort of translucent-ish. Alright, so it'll only take a couple of minutes to cook off. I'm also going to add in around about 200 grams worth of sliced mushrooms. Alright, use the mushrooms that you like, and just put those straight in just like that. No real rocket science, and these we just want to get rid of a bit of moisture out of these mushrooms, so our rice isn't going to be too damp. So just keep stirring those around from time to time, and the onion and mushroom will cook pretty much at a similar sort of rate. And here I've got 500 grams worth of lamb mince. I've just bought that from my local supermarket. We're going to put that straight in with all of those other goodies in our pan, and we're just going to basically break that up a little bit, and we're just going to cook that off. Now just be careful, the lamb will have a lot of fat in it, but that fat is flavour, and this dish does taste absolutely amazing. So just keep breaking that up and cooking that lamb off just like I'm doing right there, and before you know it, we'll be able to start assembling up more of this beautiful dish. Alright, so just keep breaking that up. Now we're starting to get nice little clumps of that lamb mince, and I'm going to add in around about 2 cloves worth of garlic. Right, that can go straight in just like that. Right, and I'm also going to add in a little bit of dill, about half a teaspoon's worth of dill, that can go in as well. Right, and I'm also going to add in around about a half a teaspoon of salt and pepper. Right, half a teaspoon of each. I'm also add in about 1.5 teaspoons worth dried parsley. That can go straight in just like that. Now we're going to keep just working that mince around and just keep cooking it off. Just keep moving it around. As I said, we're not cooking this on a very high heat, and here I've got about 450 grams worth of day-old rice. If you don't have day-old rice, buy 450 grams worth of microwave rice. It will work out exactly the same. Alright, so we're going to start mixing that rice through with all that lamb. Okay, just like that, and that rice is going to absorb a lot of that lamb fat and give you the most amazing flavours. So we're just going to keep stirring that around just like that, and I'm also going to add in 2 tablespoons worth of tomato paste concentrate. That can go straight in, and that's going to give us a little bit of a fruity type flavour to this dish. Right, so just keep doing that, and along the way I'm also going to add in the zest of about 1/4 of a lemon. Right, and also when I was putting all those little green bits in, I also added in about half a teaspoon's worth of dried mint. You can see I just added a little bit more oil there just to keep this all lubricated nicely. So just keep stirring that through just like that, and before you know it, that lamb will start to eventually cook off and leach out all those flavours. As you can see, all that lamb fat and that tomato paste is all been absorbed by that rice, and this was just a dish that I came up with on a whim, and I thought I'll put the camera on it and we'll just see if it works out. If it works out, well, we're gonna put it on YouTube, and if it doesn't work out, I'll throw it in the delete bin. But this is really nice. Alright, let's keep stirring that through, and here are my peppers. I've put those down just on a plate, and these peppers were too small to actually stuff, which was my original idea, but the rice on top of those peppers just gives you this beautiful fruity fragrant type dish. I'm going to top that off with a few spinach leaves and a couple of cubes of feta, and before you know it, you've got this amazing lamb rice with roast peppers. Alright, love to see you try and do this one at home. It is easy, it does taste incredible. Alright, anyway, thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button, it gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get KP's Kingdom out there. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell, you'll be notified every time a new video goes up. But also leave a comment, love reading, love responding to them. But in the meantime, if you want to learn how to make a nice Mediterranean style dish just like this one, doesn't cost the earth and is really easy to do, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. After I eat my lamb rice with roast peppers, and I will catch you next time. Bye.